A Spanish judge will not issue a European arrest warrant for Catalonia's ousted leader and 4 of his former ministers on Thursday, but could still do so on Friday, a court source has revealed. La Vanguardia had reported that the order had already been made after Carles Puigdemont and members of his cabinet failed to comply with a summons ordering them to appear in a Madrid court. However, Reuters reports that the arrest warrant will not be issued just yet, with a source telling the news agency the warrant will most likely be issued on Friday. It is believed the 5 politicians have sought refuge in Belgium, where Mr. Puigdemont's lawyer said he would take some distance. After his no-show in court, the president of the Spanish Supreme Court said it would be normal to issue a European arrest warrant. Mr. Puigdemont's lawyer has since said his client would cooperate with the courts and Belgian police if necessary. If they ask, he will cooperate with Spanish and Belgian justice, said Paul Beckett, who ruled out the possibility of his client asking for asylum in Belgium, saying it was off the table. Analysis: Puigdemont's only hope is to paint himself as the victim. Video: Catalan leader faces rebellion charge. 20 secessionist leaders were summoned to 2 courts in Madrid to answer questions, but only 15 turned up. Judge Carmen Lamela also ordered 8 ministers who did adhere with the summons to be jailed unconditionally. A 9th will be set free if he pays a bond of €50,000 £38,290. Thousands of protesters have since taken to the streets of Barcelona following the arrests. The 9 ministers' lawyers, who plan to appeal, said those detained were serene and wanted the people of Catalonia to stay calm. Jomel and Sarquivillas, representing 5 of them, said Thursday's decision lacked justification and was disproportionate. The Supreme Court adjourned hearings into former members of the Catalan Parliament until the 9th of November to give them time to prepare a defense. The National Court has also been questioning the ousted Catalan Parliament members, with former regional government spokesman Jordi Turull and Minister for Territorial Affairs Josep Rull appearing there on Thursday. Image: former members of the Catalan government arrive at Spain's National High Court. Of the 15 who attended court hearings, all but 1 declined to answer questions from the state prosecutor. An investigation could take years before it leads to a trial. Mr. Puigdemont, and 19 others, face charges of rebellion, sedition and misuse of public funds. The crimes being investigated are punishable with up to 30 years in prison under Spanish law. An arrest warrant would make it virtually impossible for Mr. Puigdemont to stand in a snap election, called for the 21st of December, after the Catalonian government was dissolved by Spain in light of the vote for independence.